Today I'm cooking a spicy and tasty vegetable dish, 4 Angled Beans Sambal, or in Malaysia we call it Sambal Kacang Botol. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. Start with cutting 240 grams of 4 Angled beans which have been washed. Cut off the tip before cutting them slantingly, about 1.5 to 2 inches in length. Remove the tip on the other side too. Repeat for all of them. And place them back on the same plate. Set them aside. Next, cut this herb for the sambal. 1 stalk of lemongrass. Slice roughly for easy blending. By the way, all of these ingredients have been washed and cleaned. Then, place it back on the same plate. Cut 26 grams of red chili into small pieces. They add color and a little spiciness. Then, cut 10 grams of young galangal into smaller pieces, which can be substituted with 5 grams of old galangal. Cut 95 grams of large shallot into smaller pieces. This step can be skipped if they are small. Cut 25 grams of peeled garlic if the cloves are large. Otherwise, they can be added to the blender as is. Break 10 grams of turmeric into half with the skin on. This prevents stain on the hand, knife, and chopping board. Alright, all the herbs have been cut. Add them all together to the blender. Add 1 tablespoon of chili paste for extra spiciness, which is optional. 12 grams of washed dry shrimp. 100 ml of water to help with blending the ingredients, and about 8 grams of belacan or shrimp paste for fragrance and an umami taste. Blend for about 30 seconds or until very fine, smooth and even in color. Alright, now we can cook it. Place a pan on the stove. Switch on the heat to medium and add 50 ml of cooking oil. Wait for about 15 to 20 seconds or until the oil has warmed up a little. Next, pour in all the sambal paste. Stir continuously to combine the paste with the oil. Scrape out all the sambal paste that is stuck to the blender. Once the sambal paste starts to boil, add the seasoning. 1/8 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, and 30 ml of concentrated tamarind water. Continuously stir for about 5 minutes or until the sambal is slightly dry and paste-like. Stirring continuously prevents it from burning at the bottom of the pan and large splashes. After 5 minutes, the sambal consistency has become thicker, like a paste. And the smell is so lovely and appetizing. Spread the sambal evenly in the pan. And add the cut 4 Angled beans. Stir to coat the bean with sambal. Then add 50 ml of water and stir until very well combined. Continue to cook for 3 more minutes for crunchy 4 Angled beans, or 5 minutes for them to be soft and tender. After 3 minutes, the 4 Angled beans sambal is perfect. The sambal has become quite dry, and the beans are cooked and crunchy. Give it a taste. It's delicious. However, more seasoning can be added if you prefer. Switch off the heat. And our tasty 4 Angled Beans Sambal is ready to be served. Dish it out onto a serving plate. And serve with some white rice. Let's eat! Wow! The Angled beans are cooked to perfection. Very crunchy and sweet. The sambal paste is savory, lightly spicy, sweet, tangy, and very fragrant. It's perfect with rice. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!